Night is falling on the river.
You afraid of light?
Keep the moving, show!
So on a chilly October evening here in Wisconsin Dells, what do you do for fun? There's nothing like going on the Wisconsin River when it's just a little over 40 degrees out. But you know, it is almost Halloween. They do the ghost boats here all year long in Wisconsin Dells. I have never done them. I'm with my kids tonight. Wow. Well, it looks like my kids, you and I, aren't the only ones looking for a fright tonight. By the way, if you're interested, the ghost boats go for $34.16 per adult and $23.49 per child. Whoa, I don't see any ghosts yet. I'll include some images and sound effects in post-production just to keep this fun and interesting for you. We are on the Wisconsin River. If you're familiar with the channel, I've been on it many times with my boat. This is our first time doing the ghost boat. And they pick you up in downtown Wisconsin Dells.
Well, good evening everybody and welcome aboard the ghost boat. Now to help pass the time as we travel upriver, we will play a story for you guys, so sit back and enjoy the ride.
Night is falling on the river. Look around. The only sounds are the thrum of our engines and the slap of waves against the bow. But if you dare to explore deeply enough, take the forgotten paths, peer into shunned corners, many of these tales have been buried in the mists of time.
Alrighty folks, at this time we are approaching your final destination.
We have made it to our stop, our destination. Hopefully it's not the final destination. I won't be using the big light all the time, so let's see if this camera's good at detecting ghosts. Should be fun. They did say there's a lot of walking on this, so we are into the woods now as we walk away from the boat and the river. As soon as we got out the boat, we stopped here and there's restrooms, and I am kind of surprised at how many people had to go to the restroom. All right, we are on the walk now.
What's with this thing? Why are you following me, weirdo? Come on! Move! I left my kids! Keep the moving, show!
There are ghosts all over. No, we can't see unless you get in the light. There we go. Nope, she's camera shy. A ghost that's camera shy. All right, I know it's hard to see because it's so dark and the camera just can't find any images. I'll do the best I can for you.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Your attitude is great.
Why can't you?
I hate when that.
I don't think he's okay.
I hate when that. Holy, look how near this gets, man. That's natural. Wait, is this the butcher one?
No, Dad, don't leave me.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure.
You're leaving me, Penny.
Hello.
Careful.
Hi.
Hi.
Put your hand on it. You get touched by it. It's like done. Wait, that's an easy here. It's only a gun. Oh, wait. Run. You can see his pocket.
Oh, Martha, what an attitude.
You're supposed to find me.
No,
I think if you want one for your room,
it's like ones that you like love.
You afraid of light? I asked you.
You don't know what this is. Why are you holding it? Martha, do you know what this is?
We've entered the world of plastic. Woo! Those are tennis ball guns that shoot out tennis balls.
Bye-bye.
Thanks, Kitty. I know, right? They probably just like.
You want some light? No.
Almost got you there!
Yes, you did.
Yahoo! Keep going that way.
Okay.
There's a surprise over there.
So soon!
Where are we going?
We're going over there to my wife's grave.
I can't see it.
You can't see it?
No.
It's way back there.
Well, let's go. Lead the way. And that is the end of the ghost walk. I wouldn't say there's too many ghosts, but a lot of actors. As we head back to the boat now. Look at the fog hovering over the top of the river. It would really be incredible if the Ghost Boat Tours was able to do that effect, but that's a little Halloween effect from Mother Nature. Perfect night to be out here.
That does mean that our short time here together tonight is coming to an end, but I do hope all of you guys had a good time on tonight's Highland Nighttime Navigating. We are allowed to accept any types of gratuities that you feel reflect our performance out here. We do all.
And we are back. Everybody's getting off the ghost boat. What did you think of it? It's part haunted house or haunted woods and part boat ride. And the effect of the fog rolling down the river. We didn't have to pay extra for that. That was free tonight. Great effect. That was the ghost boat here in Wisconsin Dells. Like I said, it goes from late spring all the way through, I think she said early November, believe it or not. So definitely a chilly ride this time of year, but if you dress for it, it's a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and another Halloween video is just around the corner. Subscribe so you don't miss more. You'll see me on the next one.
Subscribe now.